Hey, so what's going on, guys? I'm in my 2013 Ford Focus, and I just installed all my brake stuff last night. So that's including the carbon fiber ceramic pads, drilled and slotted rotors. I already know that whoever watches is probably like, "Oh, drilled rotors suck because they're cracked." They'll do fine. There's plenty of cars that have drilled rotors and do fine. It's not that crazy of a thing. I'm not tracking this thing hard as hell. And it's also got Stop Tech stainless steel brake lines, which are freaking amazing. So I don't know, I just guess kind of want to give a review of that. It's a lot of stuff at once, so kind of give a definitive answer on how one certain thing feels, but the stainless steel lines are definitely working. The pedal feels much firmer. Is that a word? It feels a lot more firm, essentially. And I don't know. I can't say anything for the actual stopping distance, whether it's shortened or not. Maybe it is. Probably, because I got new pads that probably bite a little bit harder. Well, they definitely bite a little harder, and then the rotors, which are slotted and drilled. So the bite's a bit better. It's not like a freaking insane difference, but it's definitely enough to notice, and it feels quite a bit better. So I don't know. It's pretty cool. I don't know. I like it. It's a little more confidence inspiring. Not a lot of understeer in this car. Not a lot. I mean, I wasn't going that fast, but could definitely be worse. Could definitely be worse. I don't know. If anybody watches this and wants to know anything or like to see it do anything with this car, put it in the comments below. Give me a like and a subscribe. That'd be awesome. Help this channel get going. Alright, well, appreciate it. Out.